Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share internet from your Google Pixel 10 Pro to a different device. To share internet, you will need to go to the settings, and now go to connections, network and internet, then hotspot and tethering, and enable Wi-Fi hotspot. Now it's turning it on. I can also click on the arrow here to go to its settings, and I can do a few different things. I can go to hotspot name and change it if I want. I can change the hotspot password, and I'll do it because it's a bit too difficult for me. Okay. Now I can also find speed and compatibility. I can set it to 2.4 and 5 GHz or 6 GHz, but 6 GHz is less compatible. It has lower compatibility with all the different devices. So if you want to make sure that it'll be compatible, it's best to set it to 2.4 or 5 GHz. Now if I go to Wi-Fi on my other device, I will see the Pixel and I can enter its password. Now I can go further and it's approved. And now I have internet from the Pixel. Now if I were to set it to 6 GHz, then it'll probably disconnect me, or maybe not. I'm not really sure if my phone supports 6 GHz. Yeah, it does not. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.